Welcome students, welcome to today's class. In today's class also we are going to see about chapter 4. In chapter 4 we saw about the functions, how we'll be using in PHP, right? About function parameters, return values, everything we saw in the last class, right? In today's class we'll see about the arrays in PHP. Okay, how arrays are used in PHP. Arrays are used to store a cluster of values in a single variable. For example, to store names of all your classmates, you can use a single variable instead of declaring many variables. If you are having 10 names, for each name you cannot declare 10 variables, right? Instead of that, you can declare one variable as an array and you can store all the 10 names in that. That is the use of array. There are three types of arrays in PHP, right? Numeric array, associative array and multi-dimensional arrays. These three types of arrays we are going to see in detail. Numeric array. Numeric arrays are with numeric index as the index. Each element of the array has a numeric index. The value are stored and accessed in a sequence starting from 0. Right? So, array with the numeric index are called as numeric arrays. Each element of the array has a numeric index. Okay, all the elements will have the numeric index. The values are stored and accessed in a sequence from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 likewise. Okay, we will see the syntax. The function array is used to create an array in the function. This array is used to create an array in PHP. We'll see the syntax of this. The syntax is like this: array with the brackets, semicolon. This is the syntax of your creation of array. Okay, array, bracket, end bracket, semicolon. We'll see the example program here after this. To get the readable information about any given variable, the function print underscore r is used in PHP. This is useful to view the information about an array. So, to read the information which is in array, will be using the function called as print r. Not single print. Print underscore r is used to get the data from the array. Okay, to get the readable information about the variable in the array. Got it? Example. This is your example. See in the PHP, dollar name is the array. C is equal to array and all the values are saved in the same name. Okay. Print result, print r. I said if it is an array, we want to use print r. Okay, print underscore r. This function is used to retrieve the elements which is stored in the array name. Okay, so here what is the thing it is? It is assigned values of the planets Earth, Mars, Venus. So in array 0 Earth is been there, in array 1 Mars, array 2 Venus, array 3 Jupiter, array 4 Pluto, 5 Saturn, 6 Neptune, 7 Uranus and 8 Mercury. See, listen, 9 planets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 things are stored from 0 to 8. See, this is the array. 0 is the index. In 0th index, Earth is stored. In first index, Mars. In second index, Venus. In third index, Jupiter. Likewise, it is being saved. Got children? Yes, this is an array. Index is 0. This 0 refers to Earth. 3 means it refers to Jupiter. Array of 8 means refers to Mercury. Got it? Yes? We can go into the next array. Any doubt in this numeric array? See, the indexes are in numerical value. That is called as numeric array. In this array, index 0, Earth is saved. Array index 1, Mars. Likewise, array index 8, Mercury is saved. Got it? The next one is associative array. Arrays with string as index is called as associative array. Each element of the array has a string as an index. Associative array is also similar to numeric array, but the indexing of the array differs. For indexing, string is used. Okay, for indexing, string is used instead of number. This will establish a strong association between the index and the values. So in numeric arrays, indexes are numbers, but in associative array, the string is used for index. So this will establish a strong association between the index and the values. Got it, children? Can go to the next how to go with the associative array. So example program of the associative array. This is the example program. Okay. Animals. Deer is the index. Lion is the index. Monkey is the index. Tiger is the index. Okay. Leopard is the index. In deer, this herbivore is saved. Carnivore in lion. So likewise. So while printing, how it is printing is deer is the index, herbivore. Lion is the index, carnivore. Monkey is the index, omnivore. So likewise, the animal names are indexes, and what is that animal, carnivore or omnivore, becomes the value in the array. Okay. Yes, in the variable array, animals array, right? Animals array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 been defined. Okay. Got it? Yes, children. The next one we are going to see is multi-dimensional array. What is meant by multi-dimensional array? Like 3D. Okay. We are having only one index there. Here we will be having two indexes. A multi-dimensional array contains one or more arrays. The values can be accessed using multiple indexes. So a multi-dimensional array contains one or more arrays. The values can be accessed using multiple indexes. 2 or 3 dimensional arrays can be created. So 2 or 3, like matrix. If you are working with matrices will be there. That is called as 2-dimensional array. Okay. For example, the following code explains the comparison of the properties of planet, distance from the earth and its mass. Example program here. See this example program. This is the multi-dimensional array where we'll be having, this is one array. See, if you see the example, it will be easy for you. See here, this array consists of 0, consists of this. Okay. Example, this is a array. Okay, Mercury 3, 0.3, 0.5. This is saved in an array and this is saved in another array. Got it? Yes? Instead of saving only this is saved in another array and this is saved in another array. That is called as 2-dimensional. Got it? See, array, in this inside array, Mercury 0.3, 0.5. This is first element in the first array. Then array Venus. Venus is 0.73, 0.81. These 3 elements forms the element of this array and this whole forms the element of this array. Got it? Yes. The bracket inside the brackets, the elements will be the element of this second array and all these arrays will be the elements of this first array. Got it, children? Yes. The Mercury 0.3, 0.05. Likewise, everything is there, right? All the, what is it called as? Planets, and this is the distance, and this is the, like say, mass value, right? These 3 elements will be in the second array, and all these arrays will be in the first array. Got it? Yes. See, like all your informations will be stored in 8th standard and all the standards, first standard, second standard, third standard, likewise all the standards will be saved in the school, right? Yes, see, consider this is your information. Your information where it will be in your classes, right? 8th A, likewise. So 8th A where it will be stored? In golden gates, right? Yes. So like this is called as multi-dimensional array. Now got it? Consider this as your record, like your name, your address, your phone number. This elements, these all the things, all the values will be stored in one array, and that is called as 8th standard array, right? These all the standards together will be stored in the school array. Got it? Yes. This is called as multi-dimensional arrays. Clear with multi-dimensional arrays? If you are having any doubt, please message me. Look at your book also how the array works. Okay. Please try to understand. If you are not understanding, please message me. Got it? Yes. We can go on to the next one. The next one is array functions. The array in PHP are used to interact and manipulate the arrays in various ways. Okay, so the arrays, we are having many following array functions to be applied. These are the following. These are the functions to be used in the array. First one, array. Array to create an array. Array count values to count all the values of an array. If you are using this function, it will count the values. Values means how many values are there in the array. Okay. Yes, array count values will be used to count all the values of an array. The next one is array sum. This is used to calculate the sum of the values in an array. See, listen carefully. This array count values and array sum is used when the values, when the elements are in numbers, numerals. If it is numerals only, we can sum the values, right? If it is not a numerals, we cannot sum the values. So array sum is used to calculate the sum of the values in an array. The next one is count. Count is used to count all the elements in an array. How many elements are there in an array? We can find using the function called as count. Okay. This count function is used to count all the elements in an array. The next one is array. This array function is used to check if a variable is an array. If it is a consider a certain variable, if that variable is passed, it will check and give whether it is a array variable or small other variable. Okay. If it is array variable, true, otherwise it will return false over here. Got it, children? The next one is sorting. This sort will sort an array. What is meant by sort? Sort, it will be placing the values in an order. Okay. R and R sort is there. A sort is ascending order. R sort is in the descending order. Reverse of the sort. Okay. So sorting means all the values will be arranged according to the ascending order. R sort, the values will be arranged according to the descending order. Array reverse, to return an array with elements in reverse order. This is sorting is arranging. Here the given array will be reversed, either it will not be in an ascending or descending order. Okay, to return an array with elements in the reverse order, only reverse order. Okay, so sorting means ascending and descending order. Reverse means just the reverse. If you are giving 5, 6, 10, 5, 6, 9, it will give 9, 6, 5. Likewise. Okay. So to return an array with elements in the reverse order, array reverse function is used. These are all the functions which are previously defined and we can use it in our PHP program. Got it, children? These are the functions which we can use it in our PHP program. It is previously defined. Got it? So what are all the functions previously defined? Array, it is to create array count values, array sum, count, is array, sort, reverse sort and array reverse. These functions are used for array. To manipulate and to interact with the array elements, we will be using these functions. Yes, children, I hope you are clear with array functions.